Thank you for watching the episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today is a quick unboxing video of another Higoto kit. I believe this is like a black warrior with some long blades for hands, I think. Let's take a quick look here. What you see on the front of the box isn't necessarily what's inside the kit there. I'll go ahead and do a quick flip so you can see what's there, even though what's in the box isn't there, guys. Alright. Here we go. Let's just get her opened up here and get rolling. I love these Higoto kits. They are pretty fun to build. Usually, I've only had one problem with a kit not having a part so far out of the, I believe it's 4 or 5 I've built so far. Yeah, 5 at this point. It was a bit tricky to convince them to send me new parts. Part of that was Amazon's fault. But I don't know how much of it theirs, but I think it's more Amazon than them. Anyway, so let's just start with the booklet here. Yeah, it's a Sluban brand mech. Oh, it was not the one I thought. It is a white one. Okay. Yep, still not one of the ones on the box. Okay. So let's see here. Let's just flip through the book here real quick. The only thing I wish they would do more on these is give them, good names that you can see in the booklet. It does use numbered bags. It looks like 11 of them all together. Let's see here. We got some stickers. Fortunately, there's not a million of them. They got some nice silvery sheen to them. The directions look very good with nice coloring on the bricks, so you can tell what goes where. And yeah, should be a pretty quick and fun kit to build. Look at that! It's got the whole body all together. Working on an arm there. All right, my feet look kind of fun there. It's got toes. All right. Yeah, so this should be a pretty good build, I think. I do find that pretty frequently with these kits I do have to use a touch of glue, usually just in a couple problem areas. The glue I use is a plastic cement by Tamiya. It is great stuff, extra thin cement. I'll put a link in the description to that. I usually do that with the build videos, not necessarily with the unboxing videos, but let's see here. I've gotten a couple very nice comments from some of my Stone's Reviews community there that have watched my videos about how it's helped them decide to go ahead and attempt the kit where before they might not have wanted to. Usually because I tend to give tips and hints and tricks on the best way to accomplish the build. So it's helped them decide to go ahead and try it for themselves. Let's see here. Yeah, so yeah, they got some nice numbering on the bag. It's very good. Very good there. I find these kits are very close to a good Lego experience. The bricks that seem to be the biggest problems on these kits. Let me find bag 1, and I'm fairly certain. There we go. Oh yeah. So let me just pop out a brick here. I'll show you the ones that tend to be the most problematic. Sorry about that. Camera battery died. Yeah, the bricks with the most trouble are these ones where the stud is on the kind of exterior of the brick versus on the tops. They just don't seem to adhere quite well. So if I'm going to end up having to use glue, it's almost always on these guys, wherever. Not all of them, just that there's just not a whole lot of connection there with other bricks very well. Yeah, but other than that, these kits are very fun to build. I love these Sluban and Higoto kits. I've got a bunch of them, and I still got 3 others to build so far as I know. Okay, well that's that. We'll get this built here real soon on camera. Thank you very much for subscribing. I very appreciate the subscribers. We're almost at 50, which was our goal for September. I do hope you will continue to subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We have a camera here that needs some help. It's not something for nothing. For $3 a month, you get access to our videos ad-free, and you get to hopefully decide what you love making next there by watching our videos. The $3 might save you quite a chunk of change while on another kit. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.